Hello and welcome to Scrintal, the playground for the mind. In this video, we'll explore how you can add a variety of media to enrich your notes. Whether you're new to Scrintal or just want to refine how you use it, this video is designed for you. By the end of this video, you'll know how to upload images, media files, embed YouTube or Vimeo videos, and combine media with your notes to create a visually dynamic and rich workspace. Let us dive right in. For example, let's say you have an online image or YouTube video you'd like to include. The simplest way is to use the copy and paste command. Just copy the image or video URL and paste it directly into your workspace. Let's try an image. There, it's that simple. Once your media is added, you can further organize it. Use the Draw Connector tool to link the image or video with your other notes. This helps visually connect related ideas. You can also drag and drop the media to position it exactly where you want, beneath text, beside a note, or anywhere. See how quick and easy that is? Let's move on to some other methods for adding media. For using the slash command, you can do the same. So underneath any text, simply type the slash key. Scroll down to the Uploads and Media section. Here, you'll find a variety of options to choose from, such as uploading images, embedding PDFs or YouTube videos, Vimeo, and adding X posts or attach URLs. Now let's try embedding a YouTube video. Another versatile method for adding media is through the big plus icon. Click the plus icon, select Upload File option, double-click to upload your chosen file, and let's try adding a PDF this time. Once uploaded, you can double-click the file and open it directly in Scrintal. This allows you to view the document on the side while navigating through the rest of your notes. It's perfect for multitasking and keeping all your resources in one place. And that's how to add media to enrich your notes. It's now your turn to explore.